This is a great move-in ready home. You will be ready to enjoy this 3-bedroom home with 2 full baths immediately, as it has new carpet, new paint, a new roof, newly installed water heater, and a new swamp cooler. The kitchen is updated with granite and both bathrooms are very nice. Great curb appeal with an exceptional yard and front porch, along with lots of concrete parking and RV parking. This home has a detached, heated garage, a 12x20 shed and an additional car/boat/RV cover. This home is in a great location.